Philippines. Today is December 30th, second to the last day till the new year, and I've decided to trade since I see some should I say some erratic movements here, somewhat of some type of volatility going on. So before I start, let me go on with this disclaimer. I placed a trade. I'm in a trade right now. We'll see if this is gonna stop me out or what, but I think. Let me see here. To make sure if I get enough room to breathe here. Let me see. One, two. Hold on. Okay, there. So let me do this. Let me read the usual disclaimer. So any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, and I must emphasize that I am not a professional or licensed trading advisor. I am a retail trader, just like everyone else here. Okay, so with that said, the reason I'm trading this is because, again, like I said, there's some volatility, some little volatility, but we have a lot of erratic movement going on as usual. So what I want to do, like I did in the last week, was basically trade for some profit. Doesn't have to be my daily profit goal, but we'll see what setups we can get within 1 hour. If I do make some profit, then I will probably quit. But we'll see how this market moves right now. Like I said, it's kind of erratic movement right now, with a lot of retail, or should I say institutional traders, not they're they're on vacation. So that's why we'll have a lot of erratic movement like we're seeing right now. So with that said, let me put this on mute and I will talk to you guys later. So right now I'm in small profit right now. Net. See if I can find it here. If they're at 28.48, started off with a -3, with a loss of 386. Kind of recovered all that back. Small profit right now. So let's see. Like I said, I'll give this an hour and we'll see what happens. Put this back on mute. So with that, let's see here. Should be done for the day. Yep. Got 5 trades. Started off bad, but recovered from that point on. I have a total of 5 trades. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Total net profit 530, which is actually pretty good for a for a holiday market. So with that said, I kind of have the throat is kind of raw right now. Still trying to recover from my vacation. So I'll put this. I'll end it for today. Exceeded my daily profit goal, and most likely tomorrow is Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve. Markets open. They close at noon. I will not be trading. So with that said, I will see you guys next year. That's going to be, excuse me. Let me put this on mute for a minute. That's going to be next year. Looking at the calendar here, probably going to be on either the second or the third. We'll see how the market is moving, and if it's not doing anything in the second or third, I will not trade. Okay, just a minute. Hold on. Let me get some water here. Okay, there. So if you can do this in less than an hour with a market in a holiday market, I'm sure a lot of people will want to learn how we trade DTA's Congressive system. Most of my trades here, in fact, I would admit it's more advanced, what we call advanced trades or setups. It's not your typical what we call the legacy trade setups. It's more of a how can I say this? It's more of advanced trade setups. But I took advantage of the momentum going down, and if you know where the market's moving, you know exactly where to enter the trades. So with that said, I wish you guys a happy and abundant new year. Be safe. I'd like to thank everyone who's been following my trades on YouTube, and also those of my current students. I thank you for putting your trust in me and in DTA Philippines team of trader coaches. And I want to thank all my trader coaches, Coach Jerry or Echo, Coach Christine. Thank you much. Thank you much for helping what we have with the current students. And I'm sure, like as I always tell everyone who signed up for the Gold Master class, it's really we meet you halfway. If you have that desire and that discipline to learn. Excuse my voice. Man, my throat is sore. If you have the desire to learn, like I said, we'll meet you halfway and we will equip you with what it takes to become a successful trader. Okay? So looking forward for next year, 2020. There's going to be a lot of haters, I know that, but if God's for us, no one's going to be against us. That's all I can say. So that said, be safe, New Year's Eve. Have a very merry, or should I say, happy New Year and an abundant New Year. And I'll see you guys next year. Okay, take care. God bless. Bye bye.